Today we are going to show you 5 most important PowerPoint shortcut that is very useful in your daily life. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Here I have a PowerPoint presentation, a timeline slide. If you want to make this kind of slide, please check my channel. When I want to watch the slideshow, I use my mouse and click on here, then I can easily watch the slideshow. But if I want to use the shortcut key, which key I have to press? So just simply I have to press F5. Then you will see. Then my presentation has been started. Now here I have a amazing timeline slide. If I want to draw something over here, so which key I have to press? So simply press Ctrl plus P, then you will see a pen sign has been appeared. I can easily write something here. If I want to remove this writing, so I have to just press Ctrl plus E. Then the eraser button will be activated. I can easily erase it using my mouse. Now if I want to highlight some area, just I have to press Ctrl plus I. Then I can easily highlight any text or anything in my slide. I can easily highlight it very easily. If I want to erase again, so I have to press Ctrl plus E. Then I can easily remove it just pressing the mouse left key. If you want to exit from your slide, just press the escape key. Now if I want to zoom my slide, I want to zoom anywhere, so I have to press the plus sign in my keyboard. Then you will see my slide is getting zoom. If I press the minus sign, you will see my slide is zooming out. So you can easily use the plus key and minus key to zoom in or out in your slide. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.